In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a free TurboTax account and start your tax filing. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, I'm going to open the browser. I'm using Chrome browser and I access google.com. And once I am there, I'm going to type TurboTax. And very shortly, we'll see the TurboTax related search engine results are there. So here I see TurboTax is there. We can click here, or even we can go down and we can find TurboTax, this thing. We just need to click here to access this website, and it will be looking like this. So before using this software, we must need to create an account. So to do this thing, we have to press this button, sign up button. We have to click here, and very shortly it will be opened like this. Here we just need to type the email address and a strong password and the phone number. Phone number is also yeah, like optional, so far I know you can ignore it. So I'm going to type the email address like few steps, and I'm going to type a strong password. The password should be with this criteria, like use 8 or more characters, use uppercase and lowercase, use number, use a symbol. So I typed a strong password and it's showing everything checked. Once we complete typing all this information like email, password and phone number, we have to press create an integrate account, and very shortly it will send me on verification code on my phone. I have to type the verification code, so I'm going to type the 6-digit verification code over here. Once I type the verification code, I have to press the continue button to go to the next step. And very shortly, we'll see our account will be created. And once the account is created, we'll get this type of message. We just need to press the got it this button, and then here it will ask couple of information, and then we can start filing our tax based on the documents I have, like income statement, like salary statement, which is called W2. And if I do buy sell stock, then we can also add those things over here. And also if you work as a freelancer or gig worker or self-employment employee basically, and some other LLC I have, I can actually add all this information, including investment, like crypto buy sell, stock buy sell, everything. And that's it. In this way we can create our first TurboTax account